Yo, so Instagram has finally got to the point to they're really starting to pay creators. I guess somebody in the board meeting was like, you know what? It's time to pull out that Black American Express card. It's time to make it rain. So Instagram right now is paying up to $500 just to get people to use IG Live. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's not capped. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $500 just from using IG Live. So if you're excited, go ahead and thumbs up the video. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Your boy is going daily, so you don't want to miss an upload. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so your boy got his handy dandy laptop, and I'm gonna read over the article to you guys so you guys know how to get to this 500, okay? Now, first things first, they say the feature is slowly rolling out and may not be available to you yet. Why is it always slow? I don't get that. Like, it's always a slow rollout for these things. They can literally hit a button and boom, everybody has it. But I digress. To get started, you should receive an email on how to earn your bonuses. When you go live, you should also be notified in the Instagram app. So definitely check your emails, you guys. You might have already got an email. Or when you logged into your Instagram app, they should have notified you. I'm assuming that, if you already have it, you probably have 10K followers or up. If you have less, that's probably where the slow rollout is going. And it doesn't mention it here, but I'm pretty sure you have to be a US content creator. If you're not in the US, you know what I'm saying? Too bad, too sad. But I think it's gonna go roll out to other countries too, so don't quote me on that. But I think you do have to be a US creator at least right now. Okay, let's talk about the payouts and bonuses. So you'll receive bonus earnings if you meet the requirements for each milestone. Estimated bonus earnings will appear in post live insights. Okay, simple enough. Bonuses start at $100 and can go up to $250, all right, depending on the milestone. Your progress towards each milestone is tracked under your settings in the bonus milestones page. When you go live, you can earn. So for the first milestone, they're saying you can earn $100 when you go live with badges once for at least 15 minutes. So listen, you only have to go live for 15 minutes to make $100. That's crazy. I'm telling you, they got the Black American Express card going crazy, right? They are really making it rain. Milestone number 2, you can earn $150 when you go live with badges with another account for at least 30 minutes. So get your dog, your partner, them, right? 30 minutes, that's it. Go live for 30 minutes with another account, you get another $150, okay? Simple enough. Milestone number 3, for $250 when you go live with badges for at least 15 minutes per week, okay? And that's pretty simple. Now, it doesn't explain in this section how many weeks you have to go live. So let's see. We're gonna skim through this. So rules and eligibility. This is kind of standard. Now, one thing I do want to say is like Instagram will not pay bonuses for content reflecting misleading or inauthentic behavior. So what I think they mean by that is that don't just turn on IG Live and not be talking or doing anything or have your phone facing a wall. Like, you definitely want to be creating engaging content or content that they think is worth them paying you $100. So definitely get on camera, talk, be doing something. Don't try to finesse the system because they not gonna pay you, okay? So let's see here. To earn the first milestone, $100 cash bonus, go live 15 minutes for the first 7 days after you onboard the badge milestones. So you'll get paid after the first 7 days. Earn the second milestone, you must go live with at least another account in 30 minutes. If you complete the first milestone, you will have 30 days from the moment of completion to achieve the second milestone. So it looks like it's tiered, right? So you have to do the 15 minutes first, then you have to do the 30 minutes after that. And then to get the $250, it's gonna take you a month because it looks like it says you have to do it for 4 weeks consecutively. So you have to go live 15 minutes every single week for 4 weeks to get the $250, okay? So that seems pretty simple enough. And then at the end, it pretty much says that there's a 0 revenue share right now, but they do say that it may change in the future the more that they roll out this feature in the future. So pretty much that is how you earn $500. So for the time being, if you do have this on your account, definitely do it now, because in the future, they're probably going to take some of your money. Okay. So let me know, are you going to go live because Instagram is now incentivizing it? What do you think about this new feature? What do you think about Instagram new monetization features? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out some of my content over here. Until next time, be easy.